the base of Piestewa Peak. We're going to be going up the mountain, going with my grandson Tyler, and that's where we're headed. We're right up there. We'll be right up there. Our ascent. There's downtown Phoenix. That's where we came from. It's my truck at the very end of that line of cars. Just wanted to give a little panorama of what we're seeing now. Still got a ways to go. View from the other side. We just reached another plateau, so I thought I'd do another panoramic view here. Surprisingly, I'm not winded much, but it's been quite a climb. Here's more of downtown Phoenix. We're at another little plateau, so I thought I'd show you my little truck down there now. Look how far down that is. Let's see if we can zoom in on it. There it is, way down there. Stopping point or plateau, I wanted to show you kind of all of Phoenix, at least everything south of Piestewa Peak. To the east, we can see Red Mountain right there. Kind of shaky here. The general shot of where we are. I think we're halfway now. Anyway, there's my truck down there somewhere. Just a second. A ways to go up there. Oh, there's a nice saguaro cactus. Here's another panoramic view.
There's one.
There's the ridge line over there. There's my grandson Tyler. I let him take the still camera. He's taking all those pictures. So there's some nice saguaro cactuses up here.
Granson's an 80-year-old.
There's my grandson.
It's horrible.
Horrible? Why?
I can't get to the top.
But your granddad is 57 years old. He's making it okay. The point where we can see kind of northwest Phoenix here. So as I pan around, there's a little peak there, not very near the top yet. I hope my grandson makes it. Grandson down there on a little side trail, taking pictures. Here he comes back up this way. See some homes. Now these homes go for a lot of money because they back up against the Phoenix Mountain Preserves, because all of this land up here is protected. No buildings are allowed to be put on it. Now we're up higher so we can get a better view of Red Mountain. Take you over there. Don't do that, Tyler. Right there, Red Mountain. The view, I wanted to show you how far we have to go to the top yet.
Oh.
It's quite a ways, at least my grandson thinks so. He's kind of like pooping out on me here. I just heard him say, Grandpa, I wish I was in as good a shape as you. I'll take that as a compliment. So let's see if I can find them. There they are. Zoom in on somebody standing on the top. And let's see, they should be right up there. Oh, we've got a ways to go yet. Let's get another panoramic view here. We're not to the summit yet. I'll just show you the trail that we've been climbing up on. To the southeast. And that peak over there, that's Camelback Mountain. That one's a little bit higher than Piestewa Peak. So that's the one we want to try next. We got a ways to go yet. Not too far though. Here comes a happy hiker. He's got his iPod in and he's singing with the song.
Anticipating, cause he makes her feel the way she used to feel. She rushes to his arms.
There you go, one happy hiker. That's my truck way down there. All by itself. Oops, I'm shaking a bit. Here's another view. Still not at the top. There's Camelback Mountain. Here's another view of the trail we've come up. Goes down that way, around there, over that way. A lot of switchbacks to get up this high. We're still not at the top though. We're getting closer. It's right around that corner up there. Way down there is the trail. There's my grandson taking a breather. It's pretty nice up here. It's real cool. And it's a nice breeze. We are at the top. That is all. Yeah. Hey, we made it. The top of Piestewa Peak. Okay, we are at the top. 2,608 feet. Here we are at the top. You can see all the little cars going by down there on the freeway. All of them going to where they need to go like little ants. And here we are on top of the world.